Hi everybody, this is Mr. Pettinelli. This is an alto sax. Now, this is our instructional video for Let'sGoBand that I'm going to post on my new YouTube channel, Dino Pettinelli. And you can go there and just watch these beautiful videos. This is Let'sGoBand for intermediate saxophones, okay? So the first thing you have, I want to talk about this. I'm going to try to make this as short as I can in this video so you can get to practicing. You have regular key signature. There's the F sharp on the top line. Like normal for alto saxes, most time F is sharp, F sharp, okay? We have our 4/4 time signature, which means there's 4 beats per measure, right? Remember, the top number tells you 4 counts per measure. And then you have this big black line with a 7 on top of it. What does that mean? Well, if you look at my specially made chart here explaining it, it's called a multi-measure rest. Yes, I'll say it again. Multi-measure rest. What does that mean? That means this 7 over this black 9 equals 7 measures of rest. So you'll see underneath 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 measures with whole rests in them. So that means 7 measures of rest. So instead of writing all this, the composer conducts these, or compacts these, and makes it shorter and squeezes it into this. So this is the same as 7 measures of rest. So how do you count it without coming in at the wrong time? There's 4 beats per measure, remember, right? We just talked about the 4/4. So you count it, that you say the name of the measure you're on. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you count 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. I'm fast forwarding. 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4. After you count that, you're right here. You come in and you start playing. If you don't count, you're going to mess up. Most times kids will write this in, write the counting in just like I did. I know it's sloppy, it's hard to read because my marker's not, I'm not at school. But this is what you would write the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, like that, all the way to 7. Okay, so that's a multi-measure rest. So you count the rests there. You're not playing there, but the low brass and the saxophone, or the low brass and the clarinets are playing. Okay, so then we come here. We come here. D, C, B, A, all quarter notes, easy. Now, we're at 9. Here's the main melody. You have the main melody right away. And you get to this. This is a G quarter rest. This is a B quarter rest. C. Now look, here's where it gets a little hairy. Quarter rest. This is a C sharp, which we didn't learn yet. I'm going to teach you. Going into a D. Now also, you'll notice this little curved line here. That's called a slur. So a slur pretty much means you tongue the first note and you don't stop the air. You just play right into the next note without stopping the sound. Okay? It's not a tie like we talked about. You take a half note. If it's the same note and you tie it together, it makes it one big note. This is different. This is a slur. Okay? So how do you play C sharp? That's the big question. Remember, I'm going to look here at my chart here. Our 3 signs. We have a flat sign, which lowers the sound. We have a sharp sign, which you already know from the F sharp. Makes the sound higher, like a sharp mountaintop. And a natural sign, which looks like this, a little odd, which cancels a flat or sharp. Saxes are lucky. In Let'sGoBand, you don't have to worry about the flat sign or the natural sign. You just have to worry about the sharp sign, the C sharp. All right, so here's the C sharp. Now here, I'm going to get real close here. Here's C, C sharp. You just lift the finger, no keys down. Now don't go like this when you play C sharp. Kids go, oh yeah, no fingers, look. And they go like this, and they can't play. They're like, oh. C sharp, C natural, or C. C and C natural are the same note. C sharp. Okay, don't go like this. So how do you slur a C sharp to a D? Well, here's C. Here's C. C sharp should be lower or higher? Higher. Here's C sharp. I'll lift my finger up. So I'm going to slur C sharp to D. I didn't go. That's tongued. I want it slurred though. It sounds better slurred. Okay, so here we go. Here's my pointer. He poked me last time. Hopefully this time he stays away. Stay right here. Okay. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4. And you're right at 17. Now I'm not going to go over anything else in the song. It's pretty straightforward. From 17 you have half notes and quarter notes. Just figure out the notes. 25. The only other strange thing besides the C sharp and the slur is this. There's a lot of repeats in Let's Go Band. See at 17 it has this repeat sign. So that means when you play this part and you get to this point, see the repeat sign? You've got to go. Some kids actually draw an arrow like that. Say, okay, I got to repeat back and play 17 again. Then you get to 25. Oh my goodness, there's another repeat sign. So you're playing all these notes, then you get to 33, repeat sign. Where do you repeat to? You repeat back to the other repeat sign. Here at 25. See that? And then you just keep going. All right, so that if you need to draw these little circular repeat signs, draw the arrows. Some kids need to do that. Do it. Okay, if you don't need to do it, don't do it. All right. So once again, just to review, the new thing in here we have the slur, but C sharp is no fingers, and you slur it to D. Here comes the C sharp. Now, if you go like this. That's what happens first. And you can't get to the D. So don't freak your hands like out like this. Keep them real close to the keys. That's how it goes. All right. If you have any questions, email me, and we'll talk about how we can start earning stickers on these songs just by emailing me. You can do a short video, play a part, and I'll let you have stickers. Okay? But more to come on that. All right, check out my YouTube channel. Thank you.